experiment number 2, trials 1 and 2, or just experiment number 2.
So basically, we name it failed number 2. Failed attempt number 2.
Okay. Now I will check your probes really quick. If we are synced,
What do you say?
let me know if your probes are not reading.
I don't know if our probe's reading.
No, dip it. Like put it on the.
Are we gonna do 2 trials?
See what I did right now? Huh?
Are we gonna do 2 trials?
2 trials.
Wait, so we have to put it
No, you can actually do 2 trials in 1 graph. Once it, yeah, you can do that. Later, you will see later
That's
on.
alright. Touch the frog. Let me see. You guys, you do that one. I'll touch it.
Is it fluctuating?
How
Did you see
can we
any
change the rating?
No. Do not change sample rating. Only change, what did I say? Only change the time.
Right.
Do not change anything.
Change the time into what?
900 seconds.
900 seconds.
Yep.
0.2.
It's gonna break.
Don't make it so tight that you feel like it's gonna break.
Try to do that. Hang it, the same thing.
Make it a little less tight.
Loosen. Loosen that.
It's fine now. It's fine.
Did it?
Our brakes is fine.
Wait.
That's my middle.
Easy, right? And check if the probes are fluctuating. Like 0.1, 0.2, down, up, down.
Alex.
Let
I caught it. We're good.
Tighten.
We're good. I got it.
Somebody's scaring me out right now.
Stop. Get back.
No, don't break it.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch.
No, do not touch the rate. Just the time. Yes?
We're ready.
Okay.
Our probe's working.
If your probe, here's how you check your probe is working.
Yes,
Your hand. Okay.
it is.
That's probably why there's this on here instead of that other.
Your hands are just not warm enough.
Do you practice today?
Was there any movement?
Here,
Or
watch
was
out.
it-
Let me try.
Stop.
Is it 900? 33.8?
Ew.
But how are we going to make ice cream like that?
So restart this again.
What is that?
It should turn green. Yeah, remove that. And wait for 10 seconds. What's the color of your probe?
We only got
Is it
like
green?
Oh, shoot. It's not doing anything.
don't get those holidays off.
Wait for 10
26.0.
seconds.
Then give me the.
Because we got the
Thanksgiving.
Is it working?
Yes, it's working. Do we dip it in here and then dip that thing in here?
no.
Yeah. Blue or green, it's fine.
Excusez-moi.
Okay.
I'm going back to
Go ahead.
China.
Excusez-moi. Dip it in.
I
I
know
know
Molly
French.
got into
Is it 32.8 all the time? Close that
Je
now.
suis adjudantée. Excusez-moi. Désolé. Du mange.
That's good. Temperature should be somewhere between 20 to 21 degrees Celsius.
Yep.
Close that
Wait.
up.
Oh. Wait, are we starting it?
Nope.
Oh.
18. That's good?
Good.
Okay. You're good?
This.
Yep, we good.
That.
Drop and run.
Now I'm gonna say something.
Drop and run.
No.
What?
No. Drop. I said drop the probe. Yep, that's it.
Are we gonna collect
Careful, Alex.
Yep.
How,
was it?
how deep?
Very.
Is it reading? Oh, that's right. That's good. Okay.
How deep do you want it?
All the way.
All the way down.
Wow.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Tomorrow.
Start collecting. Start collecting.
Yeah,
In
sure.
that group, group 2, start collecting. How about group 1?
Well, I've never done my blood test.
Did it work?
What the hell is
That's good. That's good. Drop and start collecting. Okay, good.
Don't what?
Where's his face?
You don't want to show it?
No, you're not. I'm not venturing over here.
You don't need to see it, sweetie.
I don't like shots, but like,
Girls problem, you know?
yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, that's so cute. The color.
No,
It's kind of golden.
it's mustard.
Golden
The
color.
color is called
Okay.
mustard. It's mustard.
But still, it's color. Just kidding.
Yeah, that's mustard.
Is it really?
It's okay.
The color is called mustard. It's called
Help me
yellow.
count 20 seconds.
It's called yellow. I think.
Okay, while you guys are doing, after 20 seconds, plug this in and open the app. While you guys are waiting, that's almost like 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, do you have a timer?
I have a timer.
Okay.
I got
In 10 minutes, yeah.
Go get a
Okay. In
10 minutes.
we'll make it 8 minutes. Guys, time for about 8 minutes because we already have used some. Just 8 minutes from now.
Got
Timer.
it?
8
Got it,
minutes.
started.
All right. That's awesome. 8 minutes.
So can
Kindly
we write
give me
in our
8 minutes in
laptop?
this group.
Because we have nothing else to do right now.
I
No.
don't want to write with
This
this
is where.
No, he just starts now.
My
Right.
phone still isn't working though because
Why?
So we have to write the data.
Okay. You group. This group. You that group. You that group. You that group. That's the best solution. Yeah. Oh. That's how we do
No,
it.
Peggy, I'm checking you out.
We can't wait. We can't waste time.
We got both the twins here.
That's my favorite.
How much time left here from 8?
When you, Alex,
Cannon, how much time we got?
Like 7.5.
Okay,
Actually, what's that?
40 grams. One of the group measure 40 grams, 40 to 50 grams of sugar, salt.
But I love
Right
it.
now.
Right now.
And after 8 minutes, after the time's up for the 8 minutes, slowly drop the salt. No, no, water.
Salt.
Go get the wood.
Go get salt.
I got salt.
Zero. That's 40 grams.
Oh yeah, you put salt on your.
What did you notice of the graph?
So bad.
What was that?
Going down.
It's going down. So what do you think? What do you think would be the temperature change of the delta T?
A lot.
Was that? Why was it endothermic? That's a good answer. But the reason is why? What do you think? Without solving for the delta T.
It's not releasing heat.
Excuse me?
That's so technical answer based on your data. How much? What's going on with your graph?
It's decreasing.
It's decreasing, right? So what do you think would be the amount of the delta T? Would it be positive or negative? Negative. And what does negative says in the last experiment?
That's the intercellular. Because the energy is absorbed and the temperature is going down.
Love you guys.
Okay, sounds good.
What's that say, Sean?
There's so much time right now. Just kidding.
Oh, it
I want
has to
ice
be
cream now.
900.
Let's have strawberry one. 'Cause I like
Continue.
strawberry.
Let's continue.
Do we drop inside?
It's
Yeah.
Do we drop
Would
it?
you collect the data first? Collect the data.
Mom just tried to make
And
Take this thing off.
Oh. Press scissors.
it's still reading. It's still reading. It's reading.
Yo!
Got the eyes.
Come here. There.
Yep.
This is the salt. This is salt, by the way.
Not yet. We don't see it. Anything. You will not see any freezing.
Yeah.
How much time do you put the salt?
I told you.
It's your fault.
Yeah.
Come said your soul is being weird.
Okay. The same thing what you did last time on your notebooks. Leave one page and then you start with your lab work. We still have how much time left? We probably have about 6 minutes. Okay, start filling up your notes. What do I need to see in your notes? Cairo? Objective is up in there. Okay? The objectives or the learning objective is up in there. What data? How many data do you found on your paper? How many data was that?
Do you have to skip 2 pages?
Is it 1 or 2 data? Two. Okay. The first data allows you only or asks you only to get the temperatures of the freezing and the melting. The second data is similar to the first experiment that we did. I'm sorry, Brian, we were not here that time, but it's okay. Okay? The same thing, I want you to compute, but after the whole thing is done, I want you to compute for the delta T. What is delta T stands for? Change of temperature. And then I want you to decide and tell me as your conclusion whether the setup you did is exo or endothermic reaction. Okay. You remember I told you about ice cream? Which process do you think how we make ice cream?
Endothermic?
That could be a good guess. That's a good guess. I will leave that guess to you and you can write that up as your conclusion as well. That will be your hypothesis. Only one of the hypotheses. We will have several hypotheses for that one. On the second hypothesis is that I want you to guess what would be the outcome of the trial 1. What do you think is the outcome? What do you think? Will it freeze or not? For trial 2, will it melt or not? Did you see any melting? Did you see any boiling, whatever?
Me?
Those are the things I wanted to see. How much time left?
There.
Okay.
4 minutes.
Timekeeper.
3, 2.
30 seconds.
Good.
Give me my red pen.
We have 3 minutes in here.
Oh, it's sharp.
He's gonna
I will make it
go through
on my free time.
No.
Pass it.
Look.
You wanna go? You wanna take the test? Summative?
This
Why
Friday.
don't you turn it around?
I said paper, not.
Did I say summative on Friday? Did
Yes.
I announce last week that we have a summative this Friday?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
what?
Not this Friday,
This
after.
Friday, yes.
Yes.
That's what you told me.
There you go. We have, and what will that be all about? Scientific notation. Very good. So just a reminder, guys. It will be multiplication. It will be the easier version.
What about
This Friday.
division?
Okay. Huh?
What about division?
Oh yes. Yeah, the same multiplication. Division and multiplication. How much time left?
1.
1 minute?
I'll take class
Yeah,
10.
1 minute. Well, like 57 seconds.
I have a question.
Yes.
So you
Wait,
leave
so
out
on the
one-
timer.
Leave one, like a blank space.
And are we doing the same
You
thing?
can, yes, and you can, the same thing what you did last time, write everything, especially the question. Awesome. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The timer ends, we put salt.
You put salt. When your timer ends, you start adding slowly the salt and mixing it.
How are we gonna make
Use what?
Do you have a stir?
Give
You don't use your finger.
Do you use a stir?
Yeah, here. And one group, prepare another 30 grams of salt. Another.
the other group?
Everybody, another 30 grams of salt. Oh, you have. Measure another 30 grams of salt. We might add more. Observe the temperature change. There was a, did you see a plateau? A flat line?
Oh, time's up. Time's up.
And
It said slowly, Alex. Whoa.
yes, sir.
Whoa.
I got this.
Wait, do you guys have salt?
Let me make salt water.
Yeah,
Wait, hold on.
yeah, he did.
That's salt.
Hold
Right?
on,
That's
That's
salt.
not moving.
We haven't stirred it up.
And where do we?
Now-
Why did it change it?
Wait, hold on. Pause it. It's not moving. Our thing. Remember, we chunk base is like 900 first.
Wait, you want us to make another 30 grams of salt?
Oh, 180. Make it 900. Uh-oh.
We just lost a thing.
Yeah, you can collect the data. You can start collecting the data.
You were like, we already put the salt.
It's fine. You can start from that. That's the baseline.
Great.
I love that
You
sine
remember I
curve
did
over there.
it.
You know, in math,
You remember
what
I
you
did
see
that?
that what do you call that curves?
You know what?
Sine curves.
Okay, then we gotta go compare.
Yes.
30 milligrams of
30 more.
salt.
Yeah.
So we put it in or wait?
Let's wait. Yeah. The plus 5 minus 5, it's not that significant. Plus minus 5 grams is not that significant. In fact, we need to add more, especially you have more water up in there. In group 2, 30, 30, 35, no lower than 30. This is not a part of the reaction. However, I want you to know, I want you to guess. This is not part of our this is not part of our learning target today. What is the role of the salt? We will answer that question when we go to the third freezing melting experiment. What is the salt? What does it play? What is the role of the salt?
We have to do
Right
a
now
timer
we don't
again?
do that. I don't need you to think about that one right now.
We
Yep.
have to do a timer again?
No, continue with the 900 with that one. It's okay.
So what do we do with this?
Drop. Yeah, pour it in.
You already poured one in.
More. Not inside the test tube. Alright.
Put it in or because it's on.
Now from the reading, from that initial reading, was there a change from 0 maybe? I'm guessing it's 0 degrees Celsius, right? Was there a change of temperature?
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. Like how, what was that? I thought it was a ghost. Like,
It goes down.
it was?
It goes down.
It goes down again? Woo!
Gossip, what do we do with this salt now? 30 grams. Or
Pour more.
Wait, can you